Top Trending Titans, Finding Your Perfect Forex Pair. Hey traders, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a crucial question. Which currency pairs offer the most consistent trends? Buckle up because we're about to identify the trending champions of the Forex market. Why trending pairs matter? For many traders, spotting a strong trend is like striking gold. Trending pairs offer clearer entry and exit points, potentially leading to smoother trading experiences. Let's explore why they're so sought after. The contenders. Top trending pairs. The Forex market boasts a vast selection of pairs, but some consistently showcase stronger trends than others. Here are some top contenders to keep on your radar. High volatility leaders. 1. Australian dollar, US dollar. Nicknamed the Aussie, this pair can be quite volatile due to its sensitivity to commodity prices like gold. 2. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Often traded alongside the AUD/USD, the Kiwi reflects similar characteristics and can offer trending opportunities. Liquidity Champions. 1. Euro/US dollar. The heavyweight champion, Euro/USD, offers high liquidity and can exhibit clear trends influenced by economic developments in the Eurozone and the US. 2. US dollar/Japanese yen. A popular pair due to its sensitivity to risk sentiment. During periods of economic uncertainty, the yen is often sought as a safe haven, potentially leading to trending behavior. Understanding trend drivers. To become a trend-spotting pro, let's explore some key factors. Economic data. Releases like interest rates, inflation data, GDP figures can significantly impact currency valuations and influence trends. Market sentiment. Investor confidence and risk perception can drive trends. For example, during periods of high-risk aversion, safe haven currencies might experience a strengthening trend. Technical analysis. Technical indicators like moving averages and trendlines can provide clues about potential trend directions. Remember, research is key. While some pairs have a historical tendency to trend, these trends aren't guaranteed. Always conduct thorough research, consider fundamental and technical factors, and employ risk management strategies before trading. Conclusion. Now you're equipped to find trending Forex pairs that might suit your trading style. Use economic data, market sentiment, technical indicators as your allies. Subscribe for more insights into Forex trading. Share a comment below with your favorite trending pair to trade and why you think it trends.